If you can see halal certified in a product, don't just follow blindly. Still read the ingredients. For example, there is an ingredient called gelatin. Most of the gelatin come from animal. And some of the gelatin come from the pig, from the bones of the pig. So if you can see the gelatin, you need to be worried about it, because this gelatin might be coming from pig. If it is coming from beef, it should be halal certified. That cow should be slaughtered in the name of Allah. So there are many questionable things like monodiglyceride. There is a monodiglyceride which is coming from the animal source, and there is monodiglyceride which is coming from the plant source, like soya lecithin. The soya lecithin, it's halal because it's coming from soya bean. But there is a monodiglyceride which is coming from the pig. So you need to read it. You make sure the product you're eating, it's halal, and it should be also authorized by a proper organization who make it halal certified. I saw like example is skin-oil. Skin-oil is going in Saudi Arabia because there is fatwa halal, they write the certificate halal. But the skin-oil is not halal because skin-oil contains 70% of alcohol, and that is the same alcohol which used for the drinking. So ethyl alcohol is a drinking alcohol. So when alcohol is drinking haram, it should be haram to put on your face. So there are many products which they are making in the certified halal, but they are not halal. So this is a big problem today. I have many topics on this one, that how the scholars are making things halal, lawful, which Allah make haram. And you need to be not to follow blindly, but to research it. Don't destroy eeman by following blindly to anyone. Read the Quran, research it, and get the right way of going to paradise and not to the hellfire.